Hello, welcome back guys to Motorola channels here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to remove standing person icon on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first things first, here I'm gonna show you my standing person icon here at the bottom navigations. I'm gonna tap on it. This is accessibility button, yeah guys, to help us for using a feature easier. So if you want to turn it off or you want to remove it, you just have to go to the settings, and after in the settings page you just have to scroll it down, find this accessibility options. And now in this accessibility you just have to scroll it down again. We'll find this accessibility menu, tap on it, and after you just have to turn off the button beside the accessibility menu shortcut. Now I'm gonna tap on this button to turn off, and yeah, we'll see the standing person icon at the bottom at this navigations will be removed and gone, yeah guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is a tutorial from me. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.